ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dying Breed BBQ, back out here in front of the grill again today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're going to be talking baked beans. We're going to get into throwing this dish together, but if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's throw these baked beans together. Alright, so let's get these baked beans thrown together. These things, you can throw them on the smoker whenever you're cooking something else. These things take a little bit of time. We're going to be cooking at about 250 degrees today. 2, 3, maybe 4 hours. Like I said, you can just cook these. You're not going to be able to mess them up unless you just burn them. What I've got here is a couple cans of just regular pork and beans. We're going to go ahead and get those off in a bowl here. Grab that other can. Toss it off in here. Alright, we've got our beans thrown in there. Now then we're going to come back. I like to throw a little bit of onion in there. So what I've got here is just one diced onion. We're just going to chunk that off in there. And then I've got 1 cup of brown sugar. We're just going to go ahead and throw that 1 cup of brown sugar in there. And then I've got 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I'm using the black garlic barbecue sauce. That's going to give it a little bit of garlic flavor, because there's going to be a lot of sweetness going on in here. So we're going to use that black garlic to kind of cut some of that sweetness out. This sauce still has a little bit of sweetness to it, but it also has that garlic in there. And then I like to come back with just a little bit of jalapeno. This is optional. If you don't want it to be spicy, don't put the jalapeno in there. I like a little bit of spice in mine because, like I said, these things are going to be kind of sweet. So we'll just go ahead and mix those up a little bit. Get all those flavors kind of blended together. Now we got the beans all mixed up. Last thing I'm going to do is come in with a little bit of mustard. You want to shake it first, because if not, you get runny mustard. Give it a little shake. And I don't know how much. I'm going to say about a tablespoon of mustard. And then we'll mix that in. And that's it. We've got the beans mixed up. We're going to take these things, throw them on the smoker, uncovered, 250 degrees. We'll check on them about in an hour, kind of give them a stir, see how they're looking. But like I said, these things can go 2, 3, 4 hours. Just as long as you don't burn them, these things are going to be terrific. All right, so we've got the grill fired up, 250 degrees. We're just going to go ahead and chunk these beans on here. We're going to throw them on the top rack. You don't have to cover them. You don't have to do anything with them. Just let them ride. Maybe in an hour we'll come out here and give them a quick stir, mix them up a little bit, make sure that sugar and barbecue sauce is not burning on there. We'll just let them rock and roll. Like I said, this is going to be about 2, maybe 3 hour cook on these beans, but these are going to be way better than Bush's beans. All right, so these beans have been on there for about an hour. Let's go ahead and get in here and check them out and kind of see what they look like. You can see we're getting some real nice caramelization. Thickening of the beans is what I want here on top. We're just going to give them a little bit of a stir, just to kind of break up that thickness. And we're going to put them back on here. Let them go for about another hour. We'll see what we're looking like. All right, so here we are. Those beans have been on the smoker for about 2.5 hours. Like I said, this is something that you can leave on the smoker pretty much as long as you want to. I mean, as long as you keep stirring it and those beans don't start to burn on the bottom, at 250 degrees, you're not going to mess this thing up. Got it pulled off here. We're going to mix it up because it was kind of getting thick on the top. That's why you need to stir it whenever you're cooking it. Every hour or so, if you want to just give this a mix, it'll come out delicious. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a little bit over here in our bowl. All right. We got a little bit in the bowl right here. I should probably let it cool off, but you get the sweetness of that sauce with a little bit of the garlic from that barbecue sauce. You get a little bit of heat from the jalapenos, but the beans are super tender. Man, these things are delicious. If you like what you see here, I got other social media channels. You can follow me on all of them. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Dying Breed BBQ. Thanks for watching.